Imagine your bedroom. Over time, it gets messy. Clothes pile up, books scatter, and dust gathers. It becomes hard to find things. Refactoring code is like tidying your room. It's about cleaning up code and making it more organized. We don't change what the code does. We improve how it does it. Refactoring involves making small changes to the code. These changes improve the internal structure. They don't affect how the software behaves from the outside. Just like tidying your room doesn't change what's in it, only how it's arranged. This process makes the code easier to understand. It also makes it easier to change in the future. Think of it like creating a well-organized library. You can easily find the book you need. Refactoring is a crucial skill for any programmer. It allows us to write code that is not only functional, but also elegant and maintainable. Just like a tidy room is more pleasant to be in, refactored code is more enjoyable to work with. Why is refactoring important? Software is constantly evolving, new features are added, and old ones are modified. Over time, code can become complex and difficult to manage. Imagine building a house without a plan, just adding rooms as needed. It might work at first, but eventually, it becomes a mess. Refactoring is like bringing in an architect to redesign the house, making it more livable and adaptable. Unrefactored code can lead to bugs. Messy code is harder to understand and debug, leading to more errors. Slow development, difficult to understand code slows down the addition of new features. Frustration, working with messy code can be frustrating for developers. Refactoring addresses these problems. It makes the code cleaner, simpler, and easier to work with. This results in fewer bugs, faster development, and happier programmers. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. There are many different refactoring techniques. Each one targets a specific code smell, which is a sign of potential problems. Here are a few common ones. Extract method. This involves taking a chunk of code from a longer method and turning it into its own method. It's like breaking down a long paragraph into shorter, more readable sentences. Rename variable or method. Choosing meaningful names for variables and methods makes the code self-documenting. Imagine trying to understand a recipe where ingredients are labeled A, B, and C instead of their actual names. Extract class. If a class becomes too large and complex, it can be split into smaller, more focused classes. It's like organizing a cluttered toolbox into separate boxes for different tools. These are just a few examples. Many other techniques exist, each addressing a specific code smell. The key is to learn to identify these smells and apply the appropriate refactoring technique to improve the code. Let's look at some real-world examples of how refactoring benefits software projects. Imagine a website with slow loading times. After refactoring the code to optimize database queries, the website loads much faster. This improves user experience and potentially increases conversions. In another scenario, a team struggles to add new features to a complex application. After refactoring the code to improve its structure and modularity, adding new features becomes significantly easier and faster. These examples demonstrate the tangible benefits of refactoring. It's not just about making the code look pretty. It's about improving the software's performance, maintainability, and extensibility. The benefits of refactoring are often seen in the long term. Regular refactoring makes the code base easier to maintain and evolve. This is crucial for the longevity of any software project. Think of a garden. Regular weeding and pruning keep it healthy and vibrant. Neglecting these tasks leads to overgrowth, and eventually, a decline in the garden's health. Refactoring is like tending to a garden. Consistent effort pays off in the long run. Refactoring might seem like extra work initially. However, it saves time and effort in the long run. It's an investment in the future of the project, ensuring its continued success and relevance. Refactoring is particularly important when working in teams. Clean and well-structured code is easier for everyone to understand. This improves collaboration and reduces the chance of errors. Imagine a team of chefs working in a messy kitchen. Ingredients are scattered and utensils are misplaced. This leads to confusion and mistakes. A clean and organized kitchen, on the other hand, enables the chefs to work together seamlessly. Similarly, refactoring creates a shared understanding of the codebase among team members. This fosters better communication, reduces conflicts, and ultimately leads to a more harmonious and productive development process. Refactoring is not just a technical skill, it's also an important learning tool. As you refactor code, you gain a deeper understanding of its inner workings. This helps you become a better programmer overall. Think of a musician practicing scales. It might seem repetitive, but it trains their ear and improves their technique. Refactoring is like practicing scales for programmers. It hones your skills and elevates your craft. By regularly refactoring your code, you develop a better eye for design patterns, code smells, and elegant solutions. This continuous learning and improvement are essential for any aspiring software developer. Refactoring is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. It's about continuously improving the design and quality of your code. Embrace the refactoring mindset, and you'll reap the rewards of cleaner, more maintainable, and more enjoyable code. Remember, the goal of refactoring is not to achieve perfection, but to make the code a little bit better every time you touch it. Like a sculptor chipping away at a block of marble, each small change brings you closer to creating a masterpiece. So the next time you open your code editor, remember the importance of refactoring. Take the time to tidy up, improve, and refine your code. Your future self will thank you for it. If you learned something new like the video, share your thoughts in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more related videos.